Hello, everybody. I'm Waltimate,
I'm Tim.
and we are
The
Pack
Pack
Lords. And today for you, we have a whole booster box of Battle Partners. Hey, that's the word of the day. Yep.
And this is only the second time you've opened this box here on the channel.
Yeah, it is. I'm sure you can tell it's similar to Journey Together, obviously, and just felt like opening something a little different that we haven't opened a whole lot of, but still, familiar.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, so am I. So without any further ado, let us get right into this booster box.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, so let's get right into this booster box. And there we go. Got the plastic a little bit easier this time. Maybe that's a good sign.
Let's hope so.
The plastic is usually the hardest part.
Yeah, most of the times.
Alright, now we do the pull tab here. Ooh,
Smooth.
nice and clean. I love that. That's satisfying.
Yeah, it's always hard to do that. Well, first you gotta take those side things off. It'll go in easier.
There we go. And then let's go ahead and just take these right out of the equation. If those are worth any thing for scanning, go right ahead. Anybody who wants it. Hey, look at that. They have little punch outs here. Wonder what that's for.
Oh!
Wonder what they do with that.
So... Okay, that makes sense. It goes on a shelf that hangs on the rack.
Oh, it's like a product ID.
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Huh.
Here you go.
I never noticed that on them.
Me neither until just now. Alright, but we are going to go ahead and start opening some of our lovely, lovely packs. And that one ripped a little weird, but that's okay.
It happens.
And
one to the front.
One to the front, thank you. You read my mind on what I was just about to ask. Alright. Sandaconda. And Shelgon, thank you. It was blinking. Carablast. Beldum. And Kilowattrel. And we're going to try to go through these, not crazy rapid fire, but also not at a snail's pace either. Especially if they're going to be giving me this kind of trouble to open them. There we go, and of course thank you, my friend Tim, for handling the trash today.
And also, hopefully everybody's having a great positive day as always.
Oh, I know, I sure am. I always am when I get to open some Pokemon cards. Right. That was Spiky Energy, this is Rookity, and Lombre, and Druddigan, and hey look at that, and Zorua.
Very nice.
Little second pack magic.
Are you forgetting something?
I am forgetting something. Forgetting to tell all of you to subscribe to the channel. I'm kidding, of course. We're forgetting our Psyduck luck. Gotta get that Psyduck luck. We got one without you, bud, so you're responsible for the next one, okay? No, but in all seriousness, if you do enjoy this content, please give us a subscribe because it helps us out a lot, and we really do appreciate it.
Each and every single one of you.
That's right. That one was nice and easy.
That's how it should go.
Should, being the operative word there.
Yep.
Alright, Regirock. Sigilif. Swinub. Metapod. And Hopsbag.
Hopsbag.
Alright, on to the next. Yeah, no code cards with the Japanese.
Nope. There never is.
What's that? Postwick, right?
Yep.
Rookity again. Comfey? Comfey.
I almost said Klefki. I stopped myself.
Larvitar and excuse me, Snorlax. Little tickle in the throat there.
It's all good.
Oh, come on. There we go. Oh, that one ripped. But that's okay. It's all going to the same place anyways.
I just got over being
Hop's
sick.
Beg. Sigilif. Rockruff.
And the coughs always last forever.
That's true. Shelmet and Octillery. Alright. Keep it on going. Oop.
Well,
That's okay. Just gonna go around this way.
that's fine. I just
Whatever works.
you must have caught the little tab. Nice.
Oh, there's Comfey again. Caterpie and Ribombee.
Come on, Psyduck.
Yeah, it's like Psyduck's giving us bad luck now.
Oh, he likes Professor Oak, and you kicked Professor Oak out of here.
No, Professor Oak is not welcome here. Not after what he did.
I don't know.
Alright, there is a... evolves from Carablast. Escavalier, thank you. I don't know why I can't remember names today.
That
Pancham.
happens.
Shuppet. Wilmer and...
Ooh, Hopzachian.
Hopzachian EX. There's another hit.
There is.
Psyduck had to prove us wrong.
Yep.
See, he says, oh no, I don't want that professor around here. I'll give you a hit just to prove it. Metagross. Bagon. Kling Clang. Oh, no, that was just Clink. Sorry.
Yeah.
Dunsparce. And hey, Iono's Belly Bolt EX. Back-to-back hits. See, Psyduck's really on my side with the whole Professor Oak thing.
How about we have Captain here?
Captain?
Yeah.
Captain who?
Pikachu.
Oh, Captain the Pikachu.
Captain Pikachu, yeah.
Oh, he's not Professor Oak, so yeah, he's welcome. Ends Castle.
And have you seen Captain
Harris.
Pikachu?
I have, yes. Ends Zorua, Beldum, and Kling Clang. Ends Kling Clang.
Can't forget the end.
Can never forget N.
And I said the end.
The N. Poor kid never even got a full name. He just got a letter.
He did. Also did L.
Iris. There's no L in Pokemon.
I know. I was
Sentret?
talking about Death Note.
Well, there is an N in Death Note. Watchroll.
There is an N in Death Note.
Sprigatito. And... this thing. Follows me everywhere I go, I swear. Alright. Stadium, I guess?
Something. I can't remember.
Noibat. Metapod. Cutiefly, Lily's Cutiefly, and...
Ooh, Salamence.
Full Art Salamence EX. That's
I don't even
beautiful.
think we have that for a regular journey together.
We might not. That is a beautiful card. I love that background color. Gorgeous. The lightning.
I have to agree.
Ooh, this was a little difficult to rip. But that's okay, because we got it open.
As long as if you gotta cut it, don't cut the card.
Oh, hey. We got N's pee-pee up.
We did.
You're welcome, N. And Enzorua. And Silly Cobra. He's a silly little cobra. And Matang. And there's Maractus again.
Your favorite.
What did the pirate astronaut say when his drink floated away?
I don't know.
Ah, Metang.
Oh jeez. Oh boy.
Who here remembers Tang? Orange Tang.
I do. Don't they still make that?
They might. Butterfree.
Bye bye Butterfree.
Well, hello, Butterfree. Swinub. Tadbulb.
Uh-oh.
Lotad, and
Oh, it's just a holographic.
Tyranitar. I'm still smiling about my Metang joke. Excelgor, I remembered his name. Caterpie, oops. Cutiefly. Wooloo, Hops Wooloo, and Brock. Brock. Ever notice that his name, Brock's name, kind of sounds like a parrot squawking? Brock? Yeah.
Yeah. It must be Squawkabilly.
Perhaps. Brockabilly.
That dude gone.
Dugong?
Yeah.
That Dugong. Cloth. Komala Harris. Pokemon go to the polls. Sprigatito. Mr. Mime.
And... Ooh, Swinub.
Ooh, Swinub. Full art. That's beautiful. That's an SR, isn't it?
Yes. Or art rare, whichever one. Whichever one you want to call it.
SR, AR, whatever it is, it's a pretty looking card.
Yep.
Alright, and here we go. Iono's Electrode. Parasect. Mr. Mime again. Coughing. And wheezing.
What a
Coughing and wheezing. That is...
Sounds like me.
That is what we do when we're sick. Coughing
Yep.
and wheezing.
What I was doing last week.
Did you know originally coughing and wheezing, before Pokemon was released, their working names were NY and LA?
Really?
Yeah, Nye and La for, polluted U.S. cities. Yeah, NY and LA. That was their working names before it was released.
That's funny.
That is a true fact. Alright, on to the next. Ticket.
Ticket for where?
Remoraid. Sentret. Paris.
SIR.
And Hops Dubwool.
There was to hoping.
Yeah, well.
It happens.
You gotta respect Hop since Wooloo was his first Pokemon ever, even before he got his starter. And he trained up that Wooloo and kept it as a double and took it all the way to the championship.
Yep.
Hop's double fought a legendary, it fought Eternatus, and made it to the finals of the championship in those games, and that's pretty cool. And this is a really cool Pangoro. I almost can't even tell what's happening in there.
Yep.
That's cool. And Meowscarada. No, that's not Meowscarada. That is
The second evolution.
Yeah, Sprigatito's middle evolution. Well, I don't remember right now. Well, let me know in the comments. Remind me, please. Poopitar. Oops. Purloin. Ends Purloin. And we got Ends Peepee up again.
From his...
Oh, and that was the last
From
cat.
his cat.
No.
I was going to say something else, but I stopped myself. Something I can't say on here. So, because he got his purloin.
No, we're just gonna move. Oh, not his loins. We're gonna move on to Bayonet. And Hops Corvisquire. And Diono's Tadbulb. And Piloswine. And Ends Reshiram. Alright, so I'm feeling good about most of these so far.
Likewise.
Oh, hello, Butterfree.
Bye-bye, Butterfree.
Ends Joltik. Ends Purloin again. Oh, here we go. Lily's Cutie Fly and Hops Corviknight. Corviknight is a cool bird.
And let me say that. Here we go.
Everyone likes Corviknight except Tinkaton. Tinkaton hates Corviknight.
Why?
Oh, you didn't know? Canonically, Tinkaton uses its hammer to hit rocks at Corviknights and knock them out of the sky, and then use parts of their body to build their metal hammers. That is Pokemon lore. Tinkaton hunts Corviknight. And that is Weezing. Or LA. And then there's Clink, Ends Clink, and a Shelmet, and a Rockruff, and a
Salamence
EX. Not quite as pretty as that one, but it is a hit. Looks like he's using Hyper Beam.
Could very well be.
Or maybe Dragon Breath, Dragon Pulse. Alright, that one was nice and clean. Maybe we'll get a nice clean hit. Metagross. Sprigatito. Shuppet. Bagon, and Hops Choice Band.
Seen it enough times to remember it.
I thought you just learned Japanese.
Nah, not quite. I'm learning Ukrainian though.
Well, there you go.
Should learn Japanese too. Why not?
Lily's Pearl.
I can read half these cards.
Lotad. Well, I've been reading all of them, haven't you heard me? Ends Joltik.
Because you know the Pokemon.
Ends Darumaka. How do I know it's Ends Darumaka?
Because there's pictures on the card.
And it's N right there. It's literally an English N. Oh!
Hey, Hops Lulu.
Hops Lulu.
Very nice.
But how do you know it's Hops?
Because Hops in the picture.
We were just talking about Hops Lulu and how he went the whole distance.
Well, I mean,
That's nice.
I guess, technically Ash is kind of the same in a sense.
Oh, with Pikachu?
Yeah.
Yeah, Pikachu
Because
was...
technically Pikachu was another one of the options.
Well, it was Ash's only option. He
It
didn't get an option because he slept in.
Right.
Ends Castle.
But he still always managed to get a starter in the beginning of one of the other movies anyways, out of the series.
Yeah, he did always end up with at least one other starter Pokemon, if not more. Ends Klinklang. Furret. Druddigun, Druggy John, and Magmortar. Alright. And on to the next. Super Potion. Pancham. Dunsparce. Zorua, and Darmanitan.
Oh boy.
Alright, we are keeping on. And there we go. Thank you again, my friend. And a Hops Cramorant. Or goofy Pokemon. Swinub. Iono's Wattrel. Dunsparce. And Ludicolo. Also, that's the bird I've been trying to remember all day.
Ha!
That's a good bird. Just occurred to me.
Bird is the word.
Hooligan? Hoodlum? Something like that?
Ruffian.
Ruffian, that's it. Ends Clink. Larvitar. Furret. And, ooh,
Lily's
Clefairy EX. That is another hit.
Yes, it is. How many of the art rares have we gotten so far?
Oh, we got there, and there, and there, and there. And there.
Okay.
He's trying to say we're all done getting hits.
Nope, you should be able to get one more full art.
Well, there we go. Maybe it's in this pack.
You won't get an SR, but or art rare.
You never know. We got Brack and Wattrel, Iono's Wattrel, and Hops Rookie D, and Ends Darumaka, and Regirock. Un. Alright, here's our penultimate pack. Let's hope for some penultimate power. Postwick? Or is it Potsdam?
Postwick, I think.
Alright, there we go.
Going with Postwick.
Lombre. Iona's Tadbulb. Metang. And... ooh, Pangoro again. Alright, so here is our last pack. Make sure there's nothing else left in there. Very good. Hoping for some last pack magic.
Oh, right. You know what they say about empty boxes, right?
They go into the recycling. Or they get thrown.
Why not? Just cause.
No, there's no why not in this set.
I don't know.
There is Noivern.
There is.
And there is Iono's Voltorb. And Paris. And Magmar. And last but not least, Wailord. So no more hits. I guess Tim was right.
Unfortunately. I didn't want to be right, but it happens sometimes.
Got Mr. Negative over here. Well, let's go through our hits. Of course, we got Lily's Clefairy EX. Hops Wooloo, telling a beautiful story. Salamence EX. That gorgeous winter scene with Swinub. That imposing Salamence EX full art. Iono's Bellybolt EX. Hops Zacian EX. And our first hit from our second pack, Ends Zorua. I think we definitely made out with some decent hits today.
I think so, too.
I'm pretty happy with that, personally.
Yeah. I would say so.
And
not a bad booster box at all.
Not at all. And if you agree and you enjoyed watching this with us, please be sure to like the video. And if you want to see more like it, subscribe to our channel. As before mentioned, it
helps us out.
Sure does, and we really, truly do appreciate it.
Each and every one of you.
That's right. And leave a comment while you're at it.
Yeah, absolutely. We love seeing your comments.
Yeah, tell us your favorite card that we pulled today, or just tell us how you're doing today. We love hearing from you all. But that is all we have for today.
Yep.
So, without any further ado, hope you all have a great and positive day, and we'll see you all next time.
Peace.
Peace.